An automation can use any of the video view attributes that have transferred through the integration. In this video, we will cover both the direct and custom object implementations. To start an automation, click on the Add Automation Rules button. We can name the automation to something that is relevant to the process, and then move down to the rules. For the direct integration, you will have data in Prospect Custom Fields. Select this option and then choose the relevant attribute. Note that the custom fields are created automatically once data has passed. Be sure to watch a video with the integration enabled before doing this step. There are limitations to the direct integration. For example, you can't target a certain percentage of a video that's been watched. The options you can use are the total number of seconds of any videos watched, or the total number of videos that have been watched. The next step is to complete the actions. Some examples are adding a prospect to a list, sending an email, or changing a prospect score. You can add as many actions into the panel as desired. These will get activated based on the criteria you set in the rules. If you have a connection to Salesforce in both Pardot and Vidyard, you can use the granular custom object details to develop the automation. For targeting both contacts and leads in Salesforce, you can use a Match Any match type. In the drop-down, select Prospect Custom Object, followed by Related with Properties to Video View by Vidyard Contact R. The drop-down below should show you the data that is fed into Salesforce. Some examples being the player name, percentage, or seconds watched of a particular video, and custom attributes. Once you have a rule for the contacts, you may wish to duplicate this for leads. Complete the same process as before, but select Vidyard Lead R for matching prospects that have a lead record rather than a contact record. Once we are happy with the actions, we can create the automation rules. This will then start to generate a number of matches for you to check and then finally activate. Then it's time to sit back and allow the automations to occur. So this brings us to the end of the Using Pardot with Vidyard video guide. To explore anything further, you can find information about Vidyard and Pardot in our knowledge base. For any in-depth discussions about the integration, feel free to contact a representative at Vidyard who will be happy to help.